3 common marriage problems faced by couples and their solutions. 1. Life stages. Many people do not consider their life stages when it comes to a relationship. In some instances, marriage issues occur simply because both spouses have outgrown each other and want more out of life from someone else. Growing apart with time is a common issue among married couples who have a significant age gap, whether it is an older man and younger woman or older woman and younger man. Personalities change with time, and couples might not remain as compatible as they once might have been. Couples with an age difference who are in different phases of life face this common marriage problem. Solution: take regular stock of your relationship to ensure that you and your partner grow together and don't grow apart with time. Try to love and accept the different changes that life brings for both of you individually and as a couple. Another thing to try out is an activity. Try to pick up new hobbies that give you both a chance to rediscover each other and develop your bond. 2. Traumatic situations. When couples go through traumatic incidents, it adds more challenges in marriage. Traumatic situations are other problems that couples may experience. A lot of traumatic events that occur are life-changing. These traumatic situations become problems for some married couples because one spouse does not know how to handle the situation at hand. One spouse may not know how to function without the other due to being in the hospital or on bed rest. In other situations, one spouse may require around-the-clock care, causing them to be solely dependent on the other spouse. Sometimes, the pressure is too great and the responsibility is too much to deal with, so the relationship spirals downward until it comes to a complete end. Solution: take a break. It might seem selfish, but your relationship can benefit from you taking some time to process your feelings. A therapist can help you or your partner through any traumatic experience and give you the tools to help you deal with these challenges. 3. Stress. Stress is a common marriage problem that most couples will face at least once within their relationship. Many different situations can cause stress within relationships and instances, including financial, family, mental, and illness. Financial problems can stem from a spouse losing their job or being demoted from their job. Stress from family can include children, problems with their family, or the spouse's family. Many different things trigger stress. How stress is managed and handled could create more stress. Solution: stress within a relationship needs to be handled, or it can destroy the relationship. You can try to resolve this issue by talking to each other honestly and patiently. If talking doesn't help, you can try to take up hobbies like yoga or meditation that help you deal with your stress better.